Hey, what's going on, guys? KiiNG here. Today, we're getting back to the basics, okay? So, I've been gone for a long time from YouTube. I moved like 3 times this summer. Also, some of you may or may not know that I am no longer with Tara. We just decided that it was best that we, part ways. So, I just been enjoyed the retired life, and then so currently right now we're standing in my 2,000 square foot shop, which we're doing some renovating right now, and I'll kind of tell you what's going on. Right, so today we installed all the rack guard or base trim all the way around the bottom of the building on the exterior wall. Right, well, it's because we're going to start doing insulation here. Right, so this is the first wall we're going to do, and I'm kind of doing it, I want to do it wall by wall or section by section. Got so much stuff in here, dude, so much stuff in here. I'll just show you guys really quick. So we have all my pellets from my pellet stove. We got my 18-foot bass boat in here, my tools. I'm working on my quad right now, like octominers, like and of course we have the last Z15, which I haven't decided if I'm gonna sell yet, but she's right there making me money right there. Boy, who knew the Z15 would turn out to be so great? I should have bought more, and y'all thought I was crazy for buying 300 of them. I should have bought all 1,000 of them, right? That's what I should have done. You know what I mean? That's exactly what I should have done. So, I have a new place out here in Missouri that I bought. And I bought this house from an older gentleman. It has a pole barn and a shop. Well, the shop I had, it does have a 200 amp panel. Come find out today, because I wanted to upgrade to 400 amps. It's 200 amps at this panel, 200 amps at my house, but it goes to a 200 amp meter head, which means that they share the 200 amps. So it's really like 100 and 100. So the electrician, he's working on stuff because he heard back from the, engineer. So I'm going to get re-quoted to see how much it is to get true 200 amps. And so far, my quote to get 400 amps out here, just to this shop, because it's 194 feet to the post, is 24 grand to get 400 amps out here. So I want to see how much it is just to switch it back to 200, to the true 200. And if it's like 10 grand, I'll probably just pull the trigger and make it 400. You know what I mean? But yeah, so that's an update on my shop. We're going to start insulating tomorrow with 2-inch foam board. So yeah, we're going to insulate this whole shop here, okay? And essentially how we're going to do this in the shop is we're going to go against the wood purlins here, okay? So what we want is we want this air gap to stay right here. See how there's an air gap in there? That's what I want. This way you don't have to worry about moisture and condensation building up. So we're just going to attach the 2-inch foam board to the wood purlins, and we're going to go all the way from the bottom all the way to the top of the roof. I didn't want to do a false ceiling and then do that cheap foam you put up there, you know what I mean? Because then you're losing all your ceiling height. You can store all kinds of stuff up there. I didn't want to lose my height in my ceiling, so we're not doing that. We're doing foam board all the way around. So far, I bought 60 4x8 sheets, which was super expensive. It was like 3 grand for 60 pieces of foam board. Can't believe you pay that for foam. It's ridiculous. It has an R10 rating on it. So, I would like to start doing some more repairs and things like that. So, but before we talk about the repairs, let's talk about my other project I got over here. Okay. This is a completely dismantled, broken, no boards S19K. KS3M. Somebody wants it, let me know. I got this because you want to know what? We're gonna go back to basics. We're gonna go back to mining as a hobby. This is gonna be my only rig. I have some octominers left, but I don't have GPUs because I sold them all. So I decided to pick up 8 of the 170 10 gigabyte 170HXs. So we have one right here, and the rest are in the box right here. Now, a little trip down memory lane here. I've had this octominer since 2022, and I got this from Mr. Red Panda Mining. I traded him 13070 in the bull run for one octominer. And this is the old octominer because these are the 120 mil fans instead of the 140s. So you definitely know that I have mined with this thing for several years. She's never let me down. It's been a great octominer. So we're gonna start mining with these again, and we're just gonna go find some other projects. We're gonna see what's out there. All right. Everybody's, you know, kind of forgotten, in my opinion, why we all got into GPU mining, man. It's because we all love computers and electronics and building stuff, dude. It's about, you know, the hobby. You know what I mean? It's about the fun in the hobby. So we need to take the money out of it again, and we need to do this as a hobby for fun. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna start maybe posting some stuff in my Discord starting from now on. Maybe some projects I'm looking into. There's a few people in the community call me trendsetters because I did VAS, I did Neoxa. I like to go outside the walls. I like to think outside the box. You know what I mean? I did great with the Z15s. So it's just sometimes you have to think outside the box. So we're gonna get back to basics. We're gonna start GPU mining again. So when I do build a rig, I'll make another video on how to build a GPU rig, because maybe there's new people in the scene who have never built a GPU mining rig, or maybe they've never built in an octominer. I don't know, but you know, it'll be a fun video because I'll talk about some of the good times that we used to have as GPU miners when the Ethereum merge was going on. So maybe I can make it a live stream. We'll see. But yeah, we're gonna do some GPU mining again here. My residential rate here out in Missouri is 13.47 cents all in with taxes, delivery, and all that stuff from my my co-op here. I have White River Electric Co-op is my electric provider. So that's my all-in for my residential rate. Now I do have some plans here for the back. So this is the back of my shop, and I had like 8 Z15s in here blowing out the window all at one time. Essentially, we're taking out this window, and I'm gonna put two 20-inch exhaust fans out this way. I'm probably gonna wire up another 30 amp plug, if not 2 more. And then we're going to use, that's going to be my repair workbench over there. So I'm going to get back into repairs. And when I left the company, I had to give all my repair equipment back, right? Obviously, it's company assets. So I rebought all my repair equipment again. I'm gonna get back into repairing ASICs and doing my hot air work and stuff like that. You know, you just when you're retired, there's only so. I mean, trust me, I'm a very busy retired dude. Like, it seems like I'm not busy, but I am. Like, every day, it's just like I wish I was sitting around, but I'm not. Like, I'm tearing apart that quad the other day, doing insulation. It's just like every day I'm like going around. You know what I mean, fixing stuff around the property and stuff. I got 5 acres here. So, and I have a lot of toys. I have 3 quads. I got a, boat and a camper and all kinds of other stuff. I need to reseal the driveway. So it's always kind of like I'm always doing something. But I told you guys I was going to come back. So we're coming back. I'm going to try to do 1 video a week. And then we'll see how that goes for a month. And if it's pretty manageable, we'll kick it back up to the 3 videos per week I was doing on a regular basis. I am looking to start doing some self-mining now, Here, you know what? Let's go sit in the boat. I like sitting in my boat. I love this thing, dude. This thing has a 2-stroke, 150 horsepower Evinrude in this thing. It goes like 70 miles an hour in the water, dude. It's amazing. It's a 93 Charger, custom one of one paint job. All right. All right, man. We are in the boat. All right. So, what else do I have planned in the future? Well, I'll tell you this. I am going to keep mining. I'm going to keep doing AI because those are my hobbies. This is what I like to do. So that stuff's not going away. And, yeah, there's big plans. I am in search of big power, and I want to self-mine. So I may have something in the works. I have to meet with a gentleman next week. I'm also trying to get a megawatt of power to my house, so stay tuned for that. We'll see if that actually ends up coming to fruition or not, but we'll see. I'm trying to work with the co-op for some 3-phase at my house, because out where I live in the country, there's no building restrictions. So we'll see. I'm looking for opportunities for big power. Now I'm gonna keep doing how-to videos and stuff like that, and we'll go explore some of these other AI sites, and we'll see how they fare. And but we're also gonna be looking at new GPU coins. You know what I mean? All the time as well. I'll be trying to post some of that stuff in my Discord, to let my members, like the Kingsmen, know what's going on and what I'm kind of doing. I feel like mining is like, I don't know, man. Maybe it's just me. I kind of get it from others as well. Like mining's just in this rut. It's just where we are right now for mining, is this rut. And I feel like I just gotta mix it up, man. And I feel like we just gotta go back to basics, dude. We gotta go back to it being a hobby, and we need to find, the next big thing. So, which means we gotta think outside the box and take risks. So that's the only way that kind of stuff happens. So anyways, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. There'll be plenty more content in the future. Next video will be a build with the 170 HXs. I am insulating my shop, so I do have lots of big projects coming up. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned, and remember, this is the Mining King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.